Hi there. In this video we are going to show you how to install the best alternative for Discord and Slack using a Docker Compose file and running it inside our Proxmox LXC container. The instructions for this video can be found in our blog. Please have a look down below for the link. We have a LXC container inside our Proxmox server where we install all our Docker containers using a stack. You need to open the console by clicking on the console button, and then when you have done that, we need to do the following. We need to create a folder inside the OPT stacks folder. So let's run the command. You will create this folder inside this OPT stacks folders. And then you will open this folder with this command. We will now create a Docker Compose file. The information you need is in our instructions. So if you open our instructions and you look under the installation, you will find this YAML here, which you will put into the Compose file. Let's copy it. We will now create the Compose file with our editor. Please note the name is compose.yaml. And we will paste the content in here. And we will save it, Control S, Control X. Having saved it, we need to do two commands. Now the one is something that I haven't seen on many channels. You will run the command docker compose pull. So here's the command. I was testing and it came down quite quickly because I already had the image. But in your case, it's a few hundred megabytes, so you will wait a few minutes for this. After that, we will then run docker compose up -d to run it in detached mode. So let's do that. You can see it ran quite quickly on my side as I already had the image. And now you will go to our instructions to the bottom of the page. In your browser, you will use your IP address, and then port 8065. In our case, this is the URL we will use. And when you click it the first time, it will give you the option to create your account. So let's click it now. You will put in your email address, a user, and a password. And now we create our account. You will click Save. Let's call it Nico's YouTube Classes. You now get this URL that you can use to send to your team members to join your server. So let's copy this link and save it in a notepad. And now our setup is finished. This looks very much like Discord. At this stage, we recommend that you go to our instructions, look for the second link, click on that. It will take you to the Mattermost documentation and read up what you need to know how to use Mattermost. Here is the information you need to familiarize yourself so that you can use Mattermost. We can now add channels. I'm going to create a channel and I'm going to call it DVP Chat. You have a choice. You can make it a private channel or a public channel. In my case, I will leave it as a public channel. So now I have a channel where we can communicate. And again, you can add members to this here. So let us invite someone. I'm going to invite Joe Soap. And we click here. And now we get the invite link. Once I've created the invite link, the person would then click on that link and register as a user. So we created our DVP chat, and now we have 3 channels that we can communicate with. You can also post direct messages. So I'm going to send a message to myself. As you can see, this is fairly easy to use. We trust you found this useful. Please give us a like. Please subscribe to our channel as we haven't reached our target yet. And with that, we will greet you in 4 languages. If you want us to greet you in your language, please tell us what language you speak, and the next time you watch our videos, we will greet you in your language. And with that we say, baie dankie, tot ziens. Grazie mille a me. Ciao. Yasu sinaderfe. Domo arigato tomodachi. Sayonara.